Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
Good morning, Vlogmas day 4.
Day 4.
We rushing out the door. Got problems at work. And it's super foggy out here. Look at that. It's like The Walking Dead. Well, it's late. I was working. We are here picking up a Melody from work. We're just waiting for her to come out those fancy doors. She should be coming out soon. It's what is that? 5:03. We'll see her soon. Focus. Let's get some B-rolls. Sorry, had to move. Bus was coming. I don't want to be sitting in the way for the bus. She coming out. It's 5:18. They probably had to hold her back a little bit.
Hello. Did you just get here?
No, I've been here since 5.
I just got off work and I'm back at the apartment. Johnny is defrosting some chicken because we're gonna be eating chicken Alfredo tonight for dinner. I got off a little bit late than usual. Johnny's on the floor. Nice. There we are. I popped up on Shawnee's feed. Go check out our video. Because Vlogmas Day 3.
Oh yeah.
That was the outro. Shawnee didn't vlog this, but he put a quiche in the oven. And I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog so it can get uploaded today. I want some popcorn as a snack, so I'm going to make some popcorn right now. Popcorn is ready. ready. Burnt the quiche.
You almost burnt down the place.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Chicken is almost done cooking. Just waiting for the noodles to boil up. Oh, it's tasting, looking good. Pasta just got done. Let's pour it in. Oh yeah. Drip, drip. Throw some Parmesan in there, let it melt, let it melt. First bite.
Some chicken too.
I couldn't agree more.
It's so good. I'm so excited.
It's just a wish. And quite understands it doesn't.
Well, we're just gonna eat and watch a movie.
Very much to do. A little time to do this.
That's pretty good.
Try not.
It's dessert time.
It looks so good.
How's the food?
Oh, the food was delicious. It was so good.
That's
I loved
good.
it.
You can
I
see
loved
this
it a lot.
Squishmallows over there. She's editing the vlog from yesterday. That'll be up soon. So we're gonna eat this dessert and get back to you.
Yeah.
It's snowing pretty good. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is.
End the vlog here. We're ready for bed, so we're gonna go to bed, and then we're gonna take a break from vlogging, so we won't be vlogging tomorrow for day 5, I think. We're gonna take a little bit of a break from vlogging, because I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Unless we do something exciting tomorrow, then we can vlog.
Yeah, well, you're just gonna have to stay tuned.
Yeah.
Because Wednesday for sure we're gonna do something.
Yeah.
So
I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow yet, so we'll see if we'll vlog or not, because I kind of do want to take a little bit of a break from vlogging, because I have been vlogging a lot lately and I haven't edited some videos, and I want to get a chance to edit those videos.
well, I guess tomorrow's catch-up day.
Yeah, Oh yeah, I don't know. I feel like our vlogs aren't like the best, but we're trying our best too. We just need to like sit down and like talk about what kind of vlogs we want to make. We'll film what kind of content we want to film too. I do have a few ideas. We just haven't had the chance to like sit down. So maybe tomorrow we'll do that. How about that?
We can do that tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow we'll sit down, talk about content and everything. Do we go downstairs?
Yeah, we can go
Okay,
downstairs.
we're gonna go downstairs. So we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Don't forget to like, share the video, leave a comment if you want, and see you in the next one.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.